Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to manage your privacy settings on WhatsApp. So first of all, you click on your WhatsApp application. Below, you can see there are 5 icons: the status, calls, communities, chats, and settings. Here you click on settings, and then here you click on privacy, which is just below the account setting. Click on privacy, and then you can choose to turn off the last seen and online feature. You can choose it to be everyone, my contacts except, where you choose people who you wish to send it to, and then exclude the remaining. You can click nobody if you want nobody to see your last seen, and then your online, you can choose it for it to be everyone or same as last seen. So you can also change your profile photo to be everyone, my contacts, the same thing. And then groups, you can choose who can add you to groups. And then statuses, you can choose who you want to view your status. That's how to navigate your privacy settings on WhatsApp. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.